Hello folks, it's just Adam here at Iron City Motorcycles with another used bike. This came in part exchange. The customer actually just bought this exact same bike again. It's such a popular bike, the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Now this is the full tourer edition. I do have full touring panniers for the bike. The bike is in very, very good condition. So you can see the very, very clean engine bay, forks, brakes. The bike does come with Oxford heated grips. See, the paintwork's in very, very nice condition. It's got an extended hugger on the back. And so the bike is a 2020 model. It's covered just over 10,000 miles. And it is ready to go. Any more information on this bike, you can contact us via the website or give us a call. Thank you.